Guys, right now.
Mike, what are you doing?
What's up? Oh shit. You have my 2 card?
Oh my god, I fucking hate you! I fucking hate you! Oh my god!
Go!
Hey, you still coming over today?
Yeah, we'll be over for a second.
Okay.
Alright,
Okay, see you. Alright, it's coming, Kyle. Alright, here he comes.
I'm gonna air for now. Okay. Yeah. Well, I'll talk to you. I don't know when I get back. What the fuck? You fucking ass. What the
Run! Run!
fuck you? You guys are fucking assholes. Dave, come here. Yeah.
Yeah, what do you want? Oh, fucking piece of shit! Fucking
You're such a dickhead. You're cleaning this up now. I'm not doing it. I fucking hate you. You piece of shit. God.
How was the shower? Yo, ow!
As you can notice, Nikki's outside tanning right now. The sun's out, summertime in Southern California, so she's been laying out pretty much every day and listening to her MP3 player. But I don't know, it looks pretty warm out there. It's a hot day, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and cool her off a little bit. There goes nothing.
Oh my God!
Merry Christmas!
John! Hello!
Hello.
MP3 player!
Whoops. Oh shit. Boy, watch out.
What is wrong with you? Get down from there! You're gonna break your neck!